frown. First food in at the lounge with my date. I think I might break up with her. She's ugly. Look at the frown. Ever since our first visit to the United Lounge Club, she's been craving tomato soup. Oh, you grilled it too? Yesterday. Oh, okay. Who? Huh? Who did it for you? YouTube. Oh, okay. No tomato soup, but corn soup. Yum. Yum yum. Okay, maybe don't throw everything. We might have to schedule our flight around like lunch next time. Yeah. You good? Yeah. We're on the plane. Oh. Why? Is it waterproof? Yeah, it's waterproof too.
Why does it look?
And I can do ultra ride.
I like that one better.
You do. You do it. We're almost there. She's tired. First food, DEBU. Let's go. I'm hungry.
If it's a bad place, then I'm probably.
The rating is 4.7, so I'm hoping it's good. We're here. We're here, DEBU. First food in Hawaii. Excited? Look at her. Camera, eat first. This is my reaction. I already ate some of the salmon. It's really good. Dude, this is good. Right now we're going to Junbi Matcha. I wore the bag. Matcha, matcha. I know, that was pretty good. First time drinking Junbi Matcha. Soft serve is good, right? What would you rate it? Wanna try this? You're just gonna get the strawberry part and mix it. I'm just gonna flip it. Yeah, I totally forgot to flip it. Our first bite. Cheers. Our first bite. Cheers. This is the entrance. This is the kitchen. This is the dining. This is the dog bed for Jane. Pull-out couch. Ah! And then this is the one bedroom. There is a bathtub here. And also, when you open this, it's a bathroom and another shower. And then we're back up here. Ta-da! We're going to the beach late at night. Whoa, there's a lot of people. Oh, it's cold. Go to your dog bed now. Go to your bed. Go.
I would survive. You guys would tell me. I would fall straight off of you. I would get covered in bed.
True love. Ah! What happened?
Am I gonna get like bug bites? Can you always sit on my bed?
No. Make the chapaghetti. Why is someone making it?
오케이, 거기서 술만 매라 그래. 하나 봐, 하나. Can you look up normally?
We're going to the beach. Here. Yeah. Oh, can you hurry? Okay, sorry.
We're from Avatar.
What?
We're from Avatar.
What?
Avatar?
Oh, Avatar. I'm so sad.
I need those for I don't think they can carry you.
Look at Jane in the back. Jane.
Oh, it's ultraviolet.
Yeah. Hello, sober. I'm a lazy river right now. You don't like ultraviolet?
Oh, why is my head shaped like that?
No, I like it. So. And look at that. Rat.
Oh, now we're in the shade. Oh my god, I actually look like a fucking rat. Ratatouille who?
Ratatouille who? Ratatouille Jane.
Okay, so on the way. Well, I am chillaxing right now. Not doing a single thing. This kind of sucks at directing. Oni, you are you in the water? Oni, are you in the water? Hannah! Ooh. Waterfall.
Yes!